का मीत साजन, जाका मीत साजन है समिया। तिस जन को कहो कहाँ की कमियाँ, तिस जन को कहो कहाँ की कमियाँ। जाका मीत साजन, जाका मीत साजन। जाकी प्रीत गोविंद सिंह लागी, दुख दर्द भ्रमता का भागी। जाकी प्रीत गोविंद सिंह लागी, दुख दर्द भ्रमता का भागी। दुख दर्द भ्रमता का भागे, दुख दर्द भ्रमता का भागे। जाका मीत साजन, जाका मीत साजन है समिया। तिस जन को कहो कहाँ की कमियाँ, तिस जन को कहो कहाँ की कमियाँ। जाका मीत साजन, जाका मीत साजन। जाको रस हर रस है सो अन रस नहीं लपटायो। जाको रस हर रस है सो अन रस नहीं लपटायो। सो अन रस नहीं लपटायो, सो अन रस नहीं लपटायो। जाका मीत साजन, जाका मीत साजन है समिया। तिस जन को कहो कहाँ की कमियाँ, तिस जन को कहो कहाँ की कमियाँ। जाका मीत साजन, जाका मीत साजन।
चलो सल्यूट, सलामी देगा, सलामी दे। आओ अमन, वेलकम।
शॉर्ट हो गया।
I request everyone to stand up and cheer our dignitaries.
स्वागत स्वागत शुभ स्वागत नित्य स्वागत अथ स्वागत सभी गणमान्य जनों को तहे दिल से गुरु नानक परिवार में स्वागत।
अच्छा निकल
सभी गणमान्य जनों को सत सत नमन। कृपया अपना स्थान ग्रहण करें।
Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. Good morning to one and all. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. We are honored by the presence of distinguished guests among us today to celebrate the centenary year with us. May I now request the captain of our ship, the torchbearer of our institute, our worthy school principal, Mrs. Rajni Bhatti, to welcome our honorable guest and to extend our heartfelt gratitude to our welcome address.
Sarvena Sasrikal, Ji Ayanu. On behalf of Guru Nanak Mission High School, I take this opportunity to extend a hearty welcome to the dignitaries, members of the Dr. Jolly's family, invitees, well-wishers and friends to this centenary celebration of our school. I welcome one of you all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your warm welcome. And we extend our cordial welcome to as well to this event.
असतो मां सतगमय तमसो मां ज्योतिर्गमय। आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, गणमान्य अतिथिगण, आदरणीय प्रबंधकगण, सभी से अनुरोध है, आग्रह है कि दीप प्रज्वलित करके कार्यक्रम का निर्वाह किया जाए। दीपक जो नई आशाओं का, नई रोशनी का, नई उम्मीदों का, नए प्रकाश का, नई राहों की रोशनी के लिए दीपक हमारा पथ प्रदर्शन करे।
Prayer is an expression of our faith in the Almighty. Let's invoke the blessing of the Almighty God on these auspicious occasions. I invite prayer girls to lead us in prayer.
सूरा सो पहचानिए जो लड़े
High School is a much cherished dream of a great pioneer and visionary founder trustee, late Dr. Samsher Singh Ji Jolly. The long distance the school has traversed is the result of dedication and single-minded commitment by men who walk on the path shown by a school founder, late Dr. Samsher Singh Ji. The distinctive aura and reputation that we all enjoy today and are so proud of is because of the blessing of a school founder and the relentless efforts put in by every stakeholder. The school, following the ideals of a school founder, is committed towards transforming young, impressionable minds into strong, confident, just, and wise citizens who shall be leading the world tomorrow. On this positive note, I would now like to invite our inspiring and dynamic headmistress, Ms. Amrit Kaur, to introduce the guest.
Good morning, one and all. We welcome each and everyone. I am profoundly delighted to take an opportunity to introduce the chief guest for the day, Sardar Inderjot Singh Chanto. We are honored by your presence, sir. You are a very generous person. You are the son of late Sardar Jaswant Singh Chanto and the elder brother of Sardar Prabjot Singh Chanto. You have been a meticulous contributor to the family business. You are instrumental in penetrating the business market even in the difficult times. He is well-known personality in the field of automobile business. The whole family is known for Guru Kar Seva. Vaheguru blessings are always with you and to the family. Thank you.
जब प्यार किसी दिल का पूजा में बदल जाए, जब प्यार किसी दिल का पूजा में बदल जाए, हर पल अरदास होगी, हर शब्द भजन होगा। प्रार्थना जो हमें ईश्वर से जोड़ती है, इसी श्रृंखला में माँ भगवती से हम प्रार्थना करते हैं कि वह सबका कल्याण करें। आपके सामने प्रस्तुत किया जा रहा है महाराष्ट्र का प्रसिद्ध जोगवा, संतों की माटी है यह।
I request Sardar Bakshi Singh Ji to honor our chief guest, Sardar Inderjot Singh Ji. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
संतों की माटी है यह, वीरों की थाती है यह। संस्कृति और कला का अनोखा संगम महाराष्ट्र की मिट्टी, जिसके रग रग में संतों का आशीर्वाद समाया हुआ है। प्रेम के ये विभिन्न रूपों को साकार करता है और ईश्वर की भक्ति तो अद्भुत है, जिसमें ईश्वर में प्रेम, निष्ठा, आस्था और श्रद्धा प्रस्तुत करते हुए यह लड़कियां जोगवा नृत्य प्रस्तुत कर रही हैं आपके सामने। मैं भी आपके सामने प्रस्तुत किया और ये सबके कल्याण हेतु प्रार्थना कर रही हैं कि माँ भगवती सबकी रक्षा करें, सबका कल्याण करें। तालियां बजाकर इन बच्चों का उत्साह बढ़ाइए। लक्ष्य पाने के लिए सतत चलना पड़ेगा। मिटाने घम तिमिर को रवि की गोद में पलना पड़ेगा। राह में तूफान आए, बिजलियां हमको डराए, दीप बनकर विकट झंझावत में भी चलना पड़ेगा। जीवन की राह संघर्षमय है और लक्ष्य पाना जीवन में इतना आसान नहीं होता, लेकिन लक्ष्य के रास्ते में आने वाली बाधाओं को पार करते हुए किस तरह अपने लक्ष्य को पाने की जिद रखती हैं ये लड़कियां, यह जी समूह द्वारा आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हैं। ऊपर उठाए रखिए। कौन कहता है कि छलनी में पानी रुकता नहीं, कौन कहता है कि छलनी में पानी रुकता नहीं, बर्फ बनने तक हौसला बनाए रखिए। मंजिल को पाने की तरह इसीलिए हौसला बनाए रखना पड़ता है। अगली स्लाइड पर पढ़ते हैं। भीड़ में होती है जिससे पहचान मेरी, ये सिर्फ पगड़ी नहीं, ये है शान मेरी। यही आन बान शान को हम भंगड़े और गिद्धे के द्वारा पंजाब का लोकप्रिय नृत्य आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं। भंगड़े की हंसते बहार देखे ते आज मेरा नचदा पंजाब देखे।
ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਤੌਰ ਰੱਖਦੇ ਨਵਾਬੀ, ਅਸੀਂ ਯਾਰਾਂ ਲਈ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਠੰਡੀ ਪੌਣ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ, ਅਸੀਂ ਯਾਰਾਂ ਲਈ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਠੰਡੀ ਪੌਣ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੌਣ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ। Now, we have a wonderful energetic dance performance, Bhangra and Gidda by our primary students. University late Dr. Shamsher Singh Ji Jolly, a great soul who from a modest beginning in life worked hard with vision and determination and gave Guru Nanak Mission School its rightful place in the world. May I request Amit ma'am to enlighten us about the life of late Dr. Shamsher Singh Ji Jolly.
1967 ਤੋਂ ਇਹ ਸਕੂਲ ਛੋਟੇ ਜਿਹੇ ਇੱਕ ਬੀਜ ਦੇ ਰੂਪ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੁੰਗਰਿਆ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਅੱਜ ਇਹ ਸਕੂਲ ਪੂਰੇ ਇਲਾਕੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ੰਸਾ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਗਤੀ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਤੀਕ ਬਣਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ, ਜਿਸ ਦਾ ਮਾਣ ਡਾਕਟਰ SS ਜੌਲੀ ਜੀ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਸਹਿਯੋਗੀ ਮੈਂਬਰਸ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਣਦਾ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਸਹਿਯੋਗੀ ਮੈਂਬਰ ਦੇ ਆਹ ਪੋਸੀਬਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀਗਾ। ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਆਪ ਜੀ ਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਜੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਲਾਈਫ 'ਚ ਕੀਤਾ ਉਹਦੇ 'ਤੇ ਕੁਝ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੀ ਹਾਂ। Dr. Shamsher Singh Jolly was born in Amritsar on 1st November 1922, and today we are celebrating the centenary years of Dr. Saab. So it's a big thing. So we are lucky to see this day. Dr. Shamsher Singh Jolly, a born philanthropic, visionary, dedicated his life to the service of the society, healing the sick, helping the needy, and imparting education were some of his charitable deeds. He studied medicine in Lahore Medical College and was awarded gold medal in the 4th year. The partition led him to complete his final year in the Government Medical College, Amritsar. Therefore, for 2 years, he served in Ramlal Eye Hospital, Amritsar. In 1949, he came to Bombay, now it is Mumbai, where he worked in NJ Wadia Dispensary in Andheri West as a chief medical officer in 1955. Dr. Singh was a religious person. In the outhouse of his bungalow, which was allocated to him by the Wadia Dispensary, he used to have congregation in recitation of Path and Asadi Var Kirtan every Sunday, enjoined by his father, late Sardar Bhagat Singh Ji, and his brother Madan Singh Ji. He is among us. And other family members, Sardar Kuldeep Singh Ji Nanda and Mamaji Surjit Singh Nanda Ji, a brother-in-law of Dr. Saib, and Mamaji of Manmeet Ji, and brothers Rajan Singh and Aminder Singh. Among his close associates were Sardar Sardara Singh, Sardar Channan Singh, S. Mahinder, Bollywood music director, and Shri B.N. Bali, and many others who came up with the idea of setting up a Gurdwara in Andheri. Among us today we have Madan Singh's son Davinder Pal Singh Ji to grace the occasion. So we welcome you, sir. As the funds held by the charity grew, Dr. Shamsher Singh Ji Jolly and committee used to use the money to purchase a plot of land in Chakala in 1956 and had a vision to build a Gurdwara along with a mission school and charitable dispensary. Thus, the Gurdwara building was constructed under the supervision of late Sardar Bhagat Singh, father of Dr. Jolly, along with a charitable dispensary and a school housed integrally sometimes in 1967. The Gurdwara Mass congregation is used to be held in Fidai Bagh ground earlier. The year 1967 also witnessed the formation of the Sabha, Punjabi Sabha. In a bid to start his own practice, Dr. Jolly began with a Kausari set up in Parsi colony, Andheri West, and soon settled with his own dispensary in Vivina Shopping Center, Andheri West. Mrs. Jolly, her name is Amrita Jolly, also joined him to render her services relentlessly. A little before that, Dr. Jolly officiated as Chief Medical Officer of Bhabha Hospital, Bandra West. So the list is very long. Architect by profession, S. Sundar Singh Bhavnani was instrumental in design and construction, supervision of the Gurdwara cum school structure. Worth mentioning is the dedication seva rendered by late Sardar Jaswant Singh Chandok, Manmeet ji's father-in-law and father of Sardar Prabjot Singh Chandok. The seva was medicinal pharma used to and still is given to the Gurdwara dispensary by Chandok family. Namely, in the family, the three brothers, Sardar Prabjot Singh Chandok and his brothers Indrajot Singh Chandok, who's among us, he was the chief guest, and Ravjot Singh Chandok. After the death of his father, Sardar Jaswant Singh Chandok, Sardar Prabjot Singh Chandok took over as the trustee of the Sabha. School and dispensary also he looked after. Out of the veneration, he was wishful to have installed the bust of Dr. S.S. Jolly, which we are going to see today. Among women folk were Chand Bhavnani, Mrs. Bhavnani, who's the architect, Mrs. Jolly, S.S. Gyani, Juneja, and some more active members were also a part of the programs held. S. Mahinder, the music director, gave music for some 200 of movies. Nanak Naam Jahaz Hai, Dukh Bhanjani Tera Naam, and Man Jeete Jagjits being celebrated once. The music director also instilled in actress Madhubala the faith of Japji Sahib, which she would recite every day before going for a shoot. She would contribute wholeheartedly for langar and part seva on Guru Nanak Jayanti, and after her death, her father Ataullah Khan continued to contribute for entire langar seva during Guru Nanak Jayanti in this Gurdwara Chakala. It is worth mentioning that Chand Bhavnani, Mrs. Bhavnani, wife of Sundar Singh Bhavnani, architect, acted in several roles in about a score of Punjabi and Hindi movies. Most popular being Boot Polish. I think the old people must be knowing it's a very known movie, Boot Polish. In absence of space, Gurpurab celebrations used to be performed on a land near the railway premises arranged by Sardar Swaran Singh, a railway employee. Besides regular Sikh Sangat, various celebrities from movie studios used to pay obeisance. Worth mentioning are Ustad Allah Rakha, Prithviraj Kapoor, Balraj Sahni, Achla Sachdev, and many more. Playback singers like Mohammad Rafi and Asha Bhosle also used to be represent. It's a proud feeling that all remind us of Dr. Jolly's coexistence with them. They all excelled in their respective professions besides being Gurdwara faith keepers. Dr. Jolly had awesome challenges in collection of finances from all those who wished a speedy progress of both Gurdwara and an extended school in Chakala. He would rush to the donor's place, maybe at odd times, to catch up with them before they leave for their respective businesses place. Dr. S.S. Jolly wanted the Gurdwara to be self-sufficient and so rented the front of the building to the bank. The charitable dispensary was on the ground floor. It is still there, and Dr. Shamsher Singh Jolly and his wife Amrita ji provided their services free of charge every day in the evening. It was a mere blessings of Almighty that the target for the day used to get accomplished. Such were the trying times for Dr. Jolly and his team. I think many of you have worked with him. In the old building, the top floor was used by the Gurdwara, and the mission school on the first floor started operating in 1967. At one time, there were 600 students in the school, which outgrown the site. A new site was needed for the growing school, so with the help of architect S. Bhavnani, a new site was found nearby and purchased by the charity. The new site purchased around in 1985, but sadly, Dr. Saib was unable to see the completion of new school building where we are today. Now we have strength of around 2,000 students. I just want to mention this. Among us today we have our former principal, Mrs. Dashna Nayar, and she must have seen all this strength. So we welcome you, madam. We are here today to pay our tributes to a far-sighted man who has left an example for all of us that success comes to those who are dedicated, passionate, and have the zeal. It was a dream he had to help people and do his utmost, especially for the underprivileged students, by making it as an opportunity for right to education without any racial discrimination. His work is a boon and blessings for all of us. So once again, we have fresh with the memories of Dr. Saab, and his vision for right to education was that time in 67. But right to education, the government has started in 2009. So the site, what he predicted, I think we are doing it. Still we promise that we will continue doing the good work for the school, charity and Gurdwara. Once again, thank you all of you for patiently listening me. See, I just want to tell you a very good news, and I think we are very happy. We are pleased to have Nareen Chopra, daughter of S. Mahendraji. I think we would like to see. We would like to see, I think, we welcome you, madam.
Thank you.
We are pleased to have Nareen Chopra, daughter of S. Mahendraji. She was associated with Dr. Sahib, Dr. Jolly, and still have very fond memories with him. She's very good friend of Manmeet ji, and I think I would like to share few memories, if you can, with all of us. So we welcome you on behalf of everyone, and we are lucky to have you because we could not meet S. Mahendraji, but at least we are meeting the daughter. She has come from US for this. So once again, welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you for calling me. Sat Sri Akal, Sangat ji. Thank you for having me over, Dovely. And this is a very special day for my family and me. Dr. Uncle was very close to our family and a very, very selfless human being. And in our house, it was known that koi bhi problem ho, to Dr. Uncle ko phone karna hai. Anything. If mummy daddy were fighting, I would call him ki jaldi aa jao. And I think on this earth, he was the only person who could shout at my father. And he used to come to our house almost every day. And what a person, what a person. I don't think I have many words for him. Everything is less. Thank you very much.